Everyone, it's Shubham Sonvatkar from Department of Electrical and Electronics, Jain Polytechnic, Belgavi. Today we are going to study the lecture number 17 on nuclear, diesel and gas turbine power plant. In this lecture we are going to study the various advantages of gas turbine power plant. You can see these are the advantages of gas turbine power plant. Number one, it is simple in design. Okay, so the components required in a gas turbine power plant are less. You have seen in the last video the schematic arrangement of gas turbine plant. 3 to 4 main components it's having. So the design of the gas turbine power plant is simple. Next, it is small in size. Okay, as I told, gas turbine power plant is having a few components, okay, installed within it. So the small size of the gas turbine plant is small. Next point is initial and operating cost is low compared to thermal power plant. Okay, so in thermal power plant you are using coal as a fuel. So continuously you are burning the coal to generate the electricity by producing the steam. Okay, but here in this plant you're not required any fuel, you're not required more maintenance here. So the operating cost is less, initial as well as the operating cost is less in this plant. Next is it required less quantity of water. Okay, compared to nuclear and thermal power plant and hydropower plant, it required less quantity of water here. Okay, because the heat also produced which is in a limited range. Okay, it's not a huge, like in thermal power plant you are using a boiler in which huge amount of heat is produced, and it consists of water and it is further converted into steam. So large amount of heat is produced in our thermal power plant, but here the small amount of heat is produced in gas turbine plant. So the quantity of water which is required for the cooling, that is also less. Next is less maintenance charge. Okay, next, no standby losses. Okay, standby losses are absent in gas turbine power plant. Next, it can be started quickly from cold conditions. Okay, if you want to start it with a cold condition, then you can start it quickly. Okay, these are the advantages of gas turbine plant. Next lecture we will study some disadvantages of gas turbine plant. Okay, so I will stop here today. Thank you for watching this video.